pesos, but what's it all worth? Can't take it with you under this earth. Rich men died and tried, but none of it worked. They just robbed your brain. Lock it out, lock it out. Before my numbers call, history's made. So before when I stuck down, making choices that determine my...
All right, so about 6 months ago, I re-tore my left shoulder, and now I'm trying to work my way back. I'm working with Johnny Candido as my coach. Now, here's another thing. On Tuesdays and Fridays, that's when I bench. I don't want to use caffeine every time I train. It doesn't hit me the same way if I do. And the days I really need it on squats and deadlift day. Bench press, not so much, but I need something. So I picked up this cooler thermos, whatever you want to call it, and I filled it up with some double IPAs. All right, let's go. Let's get to it.